Hello everyone, thank you for inviting me to say a few words. I'm sorry I couldn't be with you in person, but I'm pleased that government has been able to support today's event through our Challenge Fund grant programme. As we look to deliver the safe system approach, embracing new and emerging technology is not just important, it's essential. We've already seen how it can create safer vehicles. For example, the risk of fatal injury is reduced by 40% for occupants of a Euro NCAP 5-star rated car when compared with an equivalent 2-star rated car. But I believe it also has the potential to support all 5 pillars of the safe system approach and support the road safety revolution this country so desperately needs. In my short time as Roads Minister, I've been confronted not just with plenty of concerning statistics, but also with the heartbreaking stories behind them. That's why I'm determined to turn the tide on years of neglect and put road safety at the top of our agenda for change. Road safety underpins this government's guiding missions with the power to drive economic growth, support greener journeys by encouraging active travel, ease pressure on the NHS and create safer streets to ensure everyone can travel free from fear. My department will publish the first road safety strategy in over a decade. Of course, this will be driven by innovation. For example, we're considering the evidence for mandating new technologies such as intelligent speed assist and automatic emergency braking. Our strategy will be developed hand in hand with the industry. So it's great to see PACTS and those attending this conference today already exploring the challenges and opportunities ahead. I hope you leave this event brimming with inspiration and ideas, and I look forward to working with you all to make our shared ambitions a reality. Thank you to PACTS for inviting me to share some thoughts, and thank you all for everything you do for road safety.